Hi there, it's already dinner time and we're having rice and beans. Remember, it's the local brown rice and the honey beans. Very sweet, very delicious. So today we're combining the local brown rice and beans, which will give you a complete array of all the amino acids needed. It will give you good quality protein because in local rice, lysine is not enough, while in the beans, another amino acid called methionine is not. So if you mix the two of them, it gives you a good array of complete protein, and you can be rest assured that you are having enough protein in this meal. But you're not going to eat the rice and beans just like that. You're going to combine it with a delicious stew. We're making this stew with Shombo. That's the local long pepper with Tatashe, the local bell pepper, tomatoes. This is your tomatoes and onions. You grind the pepper, tomato, onion together in high power grinder until it's very smooth. And when you are done with grinding, then you pour it in your Saladmaster pot and begin to boil. Then season it with Adobo all-purpose seasoning. Make sure you are using the one without monosodium glutamate, because that monosodium glutamate will give you too much sodium in your system. And when you take in too much sodium, it makes your blood pressure to go up. So you want to avoid every kind of meal or condiment that includes monosodium glutamate. You can add sea salt to taste. Just make sure that you are not using too much. Don't say because you are using sea salt then you can pour as much as you like. No, it still contains sodium chloride just like salt. The only difference is that it contains other minerals apart from sodium chloride. So just use a little. In this stew, you're going to pour mushroom. As soon as you season the tomato pepper paste, pour the mushroom and let the mushroom steam inside the seasoned sauce. The other thing you're going to put is the local locust bean. Look, iru. This iru contains a lot of nutrients. In fact, it's a kind of food item that contains almost all nutrients. In that iru, there's carbohydrates, there's fat, oil, there's protein, minerals, vitamins, all different kinds of vitamins and minerals. So make sure you add it to that sauce and steam everything in your Saladmaster pot. When it's well steamed and you're sure it's done, then you can serve with your rice and beans and enjoy your dinner. Make sure you don't eat dinner late. Dinner should be between 6 and 7 p.m. so that you have 2-3 hours before bedtime. Enjoy your meals.
Enjoy. This is the last meal for today, day one. Today, this is the last dinner. So, I hope you are ready. Today we are just making brown rice with our beans, which is the honey beans. Then the tomatoes, onions, mushroom, and locust bean. Then I'm going to top with the sea salt and adobo. Okay, let's start it. Let's start. So, what you need to do, just add your rice, then your beans. The bean is cooked already, and the rice is also cooked. It's boiled, it's cooked a bit, but it's not properly cooked. Then I'm going to blend my Shombo. The tomatoes. Then the onions. The chopped onions. I'm still going to add the chopped one here. Then I need some water to enable it to blend properly. Okay, it's ready. At this point, I'm going to add my locust beans, which is iru in Yoruba language. 3 tablespoons is enough for this quantity. Then adobo, 2 tablespoons of adobo. You can add to your desired taste. Okay, then I'm now going to add the blended shombo and tomatoes. So make sure you mix everything together. This will cook less than 15 minutes. Our meal will be ready to serve. This is our dinner for tonight, being the first day for our 30 days food challenge. So at this point I'm going to cover it to cook for about maybe 12 to 15 minutes, yes. All right, let's check. Wow, can you see? So at this point, I'm going to add my mushroom. I told you the mushrooms serve as vegetable, which doesn't take time to cook. So as soon as you just put your mushroom, mix it. The heat inside is enough to cook this mushroom. This is the oyster mushroom. It doesn't take time to cook. It's not like the hard type. So the heat here is enough to cook this mushroom. Wow, can you see? So our dinner is ready for day 1, which is our 30 days food challenge. So, can you see, look at the color? So, the food is ready now. So, let's have a taste. Okay. This is our jollof rice made with honey beans, spiced with ginger, locust bean, onions. Wow! So at this point, our meal for tonight is ready with our dinner. Thank you. See you tomorrow for another cooking day. Thank you.